Hello, my friends. How are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Kindeli. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Please subscribe to the channel and remember to turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss anything. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can take care of your cracked feet. So if you have cracked feet, this video is for you. Personally, I've used this method and it had worked for me. So guys, let's get into the video. Gonna need one pad, a toothpaste, and Vaseline. So those are the ingredients we're gonna need. So let's mix Vaseline and toothpaste. We're gonna mix them. You mix the equal portion. And take one teaspoon of Vaseline and also 1 teaspoon of toothpaste, and you mix them very well. You mix them so good. Then after mixing, you apply the mixture on your feet. Yeah, you apply the mixture under your feet using a pad. As you can see in the video, you just put the mixture on the pad, and also after putting the mixture on the pad, you just expand the mixture on all over the pad. Then you wear the pad under your foot. Yeah, it's so crazy, but it works. It's really working, guys. I've been using this method. Yeah, it worked for me, I'm telling you. So I'm going to put the pad under my foot. Yeah, my foot will change for better. You are going to see the result, guys. The result will be so amazing. So here I'm applying the mixture on my foot using a pad. Then after, I'm using the sock to cover my foot. Yeah, you just cover your foot or your feet if you apply the mixture on both feet. Yeah. Then after applying the mixture, you just wait between 30 and 40 minutes just to see good results. Yeah. Then after 40 minutes, I waited for 40 minutes. You remove the sock, and also you remove the pad. Oh, as you can see, my foot is so smooth. Oh my God, it's so bright, as you can see. Yeah, I removed all the dead skin cells under my foot. Oh, it's so amazing. Look at the result, guys. See the result. Wow. So this mixture is so amazing. Guys, try it in your home. If you have cracked feet, just try this. This hack will help you. I swear to God, this will help. Trust me and try the process. So if you can, do this 3 times a week. Personally, I do this 3 times a week. Wow. See my food. Oh my God. Can't get enough of my food, guys. Wow. So after removing the mixture, you just wash your foot and you apply your favorite moisturizer. Me, I applied Vaseline. I like it so much. Vaseline is so good. It makes my skin so smooth. So I apply it every day on my feet. So thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please give the video a thumbs up and share it and comment. And also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your support. I'm so grateful, guys. I'm so grateful for your love and support and everything. Thank you so much. See you on the next one. Bye.